To start selling your language courses online, you will need to use the Demiks Admin Stripe integration to set up the payment processor. Select Settings at the top of your screen, then Integrations, and finally, Stripe. Make sure to connect the Stripe account in which you would like your payments to be directly deposited. Once you are connected to Stripe, activate your online sales by selecting Demiks Marketplace. Make sure to both activate Demiks Marketplace and enable sales on Demiks Marketplace. Feel free to upload a background image representing your school and updating your school's slug for your school's website. All of the items under Courses and Other Products will have to be created by you in the settings. You can watch our previous video on configuring your Demiks Admin School for more details. In Demiks Marketplace, you can choose which courses and products you want to make publicly available by clicking on the globe icon next to the desired course. Publishing makes the course available on your page for all to see, but it does not mean that students can enroll in it yet. You need to click on the $sign icon to enable the sale of this course on your website and allow students to enroll in it. A pop-up will appear to help you set up the course that you want to sell online. You can select a default registration fee to be added to the cart automatically if students want to book this course. You can create your own registration fees in the settings. You are able to configure the registration fee to only be applied to new students. The system will detect past and current students automatically. For ongoing courses, you can allow students to pick a starting date. In the Student Info tab, you can set up the required information you would like your students to enter during the checkout process. You can also add a message to be sent along with the invoice to the students at the end of the process. You are also able to publish specific classes for online booking. Open the class you want to publish. Select Edit and click Publish. When publishing a class for online booking, you have two display options. You can decide if students should see the class title or a dynamically generated title that includes the start date, level, and class schedule. To make enrolling into your language courses online seamless with Demiks Marketplace, we propose creating a page on your school's website with a list of courses available to be enrolled in online. By clicking on Book Now, students have access to a course booking screen. This specific course is offered with advanced pricing. You can modify these ranges for advanced pricing in the course settings. If you do not have a website, it is also possible to direct students to a page listing all of your published courses, classes, and products. Demiks Admin has the capacity to manage different kinds of courses, classes, packages of courses, products like textbooks, materials, etc., and tests like mock and official proficiency tests. Here's an example of an English language mock test where you are able to sell each component of the test separately. If you decide to publish your classes directly, the system will give students the option to pick from the list of available classes. An available class means it has been published, confirmed, and has empty seats. You can set class capacity in the class edit mode. Once the student has picked their desired class, the Enroll button is activated. By clicking on Enroll, the system automatically picks the right taxes and registration fee, checks the class capacity, and reserves the student's seat for 10 minutes so he can finish the checkout process. After checking out, the student fills a registration form. You can modify this form in the settings. The system detects existing students based on their email address. Finally, after saving and continuing, a payment screen is presented to the student. All major credit cards are accepted, and the funds will be immediately directly transferred to your connected Stripe account. A PDF version of the invoice that includes your terms and conditions will be sent to the student's email address. You can also add a message in the template settings that will be sent with the invoice. After paying, the student is redirected to your website and enrolled in your language course.